Have you ever wondered what it's like to stay in a luxury lodge nestled in the middle of the safari? Well, today we take a deep dive and give you a detailed tour of a luxury safari villa. Welcome to Mabalingwe, an African safari destination. Mabalingwe Nature Reserve is located 38 kilometers west of Bela Bela in the Limpopo Province. It is 9,500 hectares of savannah, sprawling with wildlife and fauna. One of the major items on any safari bucket list is encountering Africa's iconic big five: the elephant, the rhino, the lion, the leopard and the buffalo. South Africa is one of the very few places on earth where you are able to tick off all five in one day. The country is one of the world's finest safari destinations thanks to its outstanding conservation areas and national parks. In a country as vast, bewildering and diverse as South Africa, no two experiences are ever alike. The reserve offers different types of accommodation, including self-catering chalets, bush camps, as well as private homes like the Airbnb we're visiting today. We are in Gweda Lodge. The house has a sprawling floor plan with 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a powder room, and an open-plan entertainment area that opens up to the pool deck. The home was designed to take advantage of its surroundings by opening it up to the views at every opportunity. Every room of this home opens up to the back of the yard with sliding doors or folding doors opening up to their own deck. They achieve this by elongating the house longitudinally, with rooms offset from each other, not impeding the views of another. There are 2 rooms on each wing with 1 room above the entertainment space. You're welcomed by a large glass pivot door that opens into the home. The central entertainment area starts with the family room. It has 2 large couches and is paired with 2 woven chairs. They are anchored by a large stone wall that frames a large flat screen TV and a built-in wood console. Behind this wall is a pool table that complements the family room. Adjacent to the family room is a beautiful modern kitchen with a dark and moody color scheme. The cabinetry is a mix of light grainy wood and tinted glass doors. The large island has a grey quartz waterfall countertop, a black glass stove, and is finished with 6 terrazzo-styled finished pendant lighting that illuminate the space. The glass uppers fold open with LED strips inlaid below and inside the cabinets. Perhaps the best part about the kitchen is the black textured walls that pulls the entire kitchen together. The dining room is an exercise in materials and textures. The space is anchored by a large wood table with natural edges. Above it is a pair of light fixtures identical to the ones in the island pendant. The large wood burning fireplace has a black plaster frame, a stone cladding, and is lined with masonry work. The last space in the area is an informal seating area complemented by a wet bar, a glass cabinet and a wine cooler. The back wall is made of 2 folding doors that open to the pool deck. The pool deck is made of composite wood and includes a braai area, a pool and a sunken bomber. The pool has a wooden bridge crossing it with a bar shelf for seating. The first of the bedrooms is on the far end of the west wing with a long corridor walled by pictured windows. The room is an ensuite loft with a queen bed on the ground and 2 single beds above, opening to a deck overlooking the fauna. The ensuite bathroom is a luxurious space with a large double vanity, an enclosed water closet, plentiful storage, and a spacious shower. They also incorporated a lot of natural wood. The stone cladding and the earthy plaster cap it off. The second room of this west wing is accessed through the pool deck. It's a carbon copy of the first room with a bathroom and upper loft area. The third room is on the east wing. It mirrors the second room, but this one only has a king bed and ensuite bathroom. The level of detail and the choice of fixtures in the bathrooms are truly amazing. They managed to make a normally cold space feel very warm. Located off the billiards room, the fourth room is a copy of the third. The last of the bedrooms is located above the kitchen area and has two single beds, a queen bed, a small bathroom, and it opens up to a large balcony overlooking the pool deck. Our stay in Gweda Lodge was truly epic. The open plan design of the home makes this the perfect space for large groups. We had a dedicated chef that tended to all our meals, from preparing gourmet breakfasts, lunches and dinners, to whipping up delectable treats. It's truly an unparalleled luxury experience. For more details about this Airbnb, please see the description below. It's definitely one that I would recommend. The house is everything and more. A huge thank you to the owners for letting us show you what luxury safari destinations look like. As always, for more videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.